I've got an unpopular opinion, but I think it's factual based, and I want to know if anybody else out there is experiencing this, because Dylan over here is about to strangle me with some legitimate frustration because of junk parts. Dylan, you just spent a bunch of time. You set the cab back down, and now you've got it back up.
Yeah.
Tell everybody what you're dealing with.
Well, we did an engine here, and their front timing cover on the old engine was bad. So this is the old timing cover here.
And 6.4s are pretty notorious for having major, you can see right there, major cavitation and pitting on the water pump. So almost every 6.4 needs a timing cover.
Yeah.
And so we found an aftermarket one and thought it would be okay, but how did you determine where the issue was?
Yeah, so we got a smoke machine, and we hooked up the smoke machine to the cooling system, and there was a whole bunch of smoke that was coming out of this corner right here.
What a nightmare to lift the cab back up and do this. So we've talked about it in our shop quite a bit. Dylan's does a lot of engines, and sometimes we have parts that should, in theory, be good quality. Sometimes it's even from like an OE manufacturer, but we have a major issue. This is an aftermarket one, but my opinion is ever since COVID, the quality of parts has dramatically decreased. Anybody else out there dealing with the same thing?